Hello everyone, today I'm going to go over my almost $30,000 stock market portfolio. I'm going to be 100% transparent with you. I'm going to show you all my gains and all my losses. Okay, going to explain a little why I held on to the stock and maybe get into why I bought a stock and how long have I hold the stock. Okay, so here as I'm showing you right now, my 1 week performance. Today is September the 10th, I think, and it's 6 p.m. Central Time. My 3 month, 1 year, and all time performance. Okay, so what's mainly holding, as you can see, like what's mainly holding me down is Tesla. Okay, is my biggest position. Its portfolio diversity is 48% of my portfolio. I am buying in heavy when it was hitting like 220s. Now it's like 330. I am down like 7%. If it wasn't for Tesla, my portfolio will be up like at least 50% for the whole time. But no worry, Tesla is still doing good. The reason I like it is Tesla is also a growth stock because they have the Shanghai Model 3. For those who don't know, Tesla is a electric car company. It makes electric cars, Model S, Model 3, and Model X. Okay, Elon Musk, the CEO. Okay, for the past 5 years, the stock is down 15%. For the 1 year, it's down 13.8%. Okay, I think I stopped buying Tesla when it was like, let me see, I bought my first, it was a long time ago, 2017, so it's almost like 2 years ago when I stopped buying Tesla. Okay, now get my second stock with Carvana. Okay, so for Carvana, I own 34. For those you, let me explain first. For those you don't know, Carvana is like a used car dealership. Okay, but it's a car dealer, but it's different because it's more like Amazon of car dealer. What you do is you go to Carvana.com, pick the car that they have like 17,000 cars in inventory that you can pick, and you just pick the car, pay online, get the bank financing, and they will deliver the car to your house, and you get 5 days to test out the car. If you don't like it, you can return it. And so the reason I bought this stock is because they're having 3-digit quarter-over-quarter growth, which is astonishing and mind-blowing. Every single quarter they are growing more than 100%. Okay, so I think I bought my first sale on it's April 2018, and I have total of 34 shares, equity $2,600, average cost $38, and my total gain is 102%, $1,300. I still plan on holding this. I don't plan on selling it right now, although it's reaching all-time high. I don't really care because it's a great stock. Next up is Wayfair. Okay, so Wayfair is also pretty good. So Wayfair is an online furniture store that sells home good, everything home good, furniture, chair, table, pans, fork, TVs, refrigerator, everything you can think of in the house. It's kind of like Home Depot for house. Okay, so the past 5 years out 243%, and I total own 5 shares, and equity is 618, and I'm up 42%, almost 43%, only like $185. The reason I bought this stock because they have a lot of growth on it. Every quarter they are growing like 40% Plus, the CEO and the co-founder still owns a major chunk of the company. That's why I like it a lot. Okay, moving on to Snapchat. This one is what I'm most proud of. Okay, I was buying in heavy around the $6 range when everybody was giving on Snapchat. Snapchat is kind of like a messaging app. Okay, it's not a social media. What you got wrong is everybody the internet thing is a social media. No, it's a messaging app like text, iMessage, WhatsApp. Those are the competitors, not Facebook or Instagram, because people use Snapchat to talk to friends, not to check their live update. You check people's live update on Facebook. Okay, so I am up almost 120% on $1,300. My position is $2,400. Amazing. Also, like the visionary CEO even speak. Next up is Amazon. Okay, I've been holding Amazon for almost 2 years. I bought it on 2017. I don't think I need to explain Amazon to you. And I am up 127% for Amazon. Okay, next up is Roku. Roku is kind of like when it first IPO, and I don't think nobody really understand the stock, but I think I understand it very, very well. I was like, when it first IPO was in the 20s, I only bought one share because I thought it's gonna go down some more. But boy, I was wrong. It was up, just keep going up. Roku is kind of like all operating system for TVs. You know how iPhone have a app store? Roku has its own app store. Roku is kind of like an advertisement company, because when you watch Roku, they have ads, they run ads. So each Roku device you buy, they will still continue to make money from each device. That's what I love about this stock. And I have big regret for this stock because I only bought $200 worth of stock, and now it's up almost 370%, which is astonishing. My best performing stock. So I put in 200 and made almost 800. My best performing stock. So I kind of regret it. I did not buy more. Okay, so Square is kind of like my losing stock. I should have used that money and bought Roku, and I could be rich right now. The reason I'm not buying more is because Square is pretty good, but what I don't like is recently Jack Dorsey is been selling like $1 billion worth, almost $1 billion, couple $100 million worth of Square stock in the public market. That's what I don't like about it. Square is like a financial service company, so you can sign up and your business can take credit card. They got Square Capital, and they got Cash App. They got many financial services. So that's basically Square. So when I bought in, it's not going. So it's not sticking flat. Okay, its high is $99. Now it's not pretty flat right now. Okay, so next one is my pretty good performer, but I only got one share, which is Ipsy. Got it for $12. It's just kind of like for this stock, I bought it just for fun. And my other stock I am really proud of is Seed Limited. For those who don't know, Seed Limited is kind of like the Alibaba of Southeast Asia. It's from Singapore. They got an e-commerce app which is called Shopee, and its revenue growth is going mind-blowing. It's like, when I look at it, I almost had a heart attack. It's so good. Revenue growth was 200%, astonishing 200%. This is mind-blowing. So it got 3 different category of revenue. First is game licensing. They also second is they also develop their own game, Free Fire, which is kind of like Fortnite, and then Shopee with their e-commerce website. It's kind of like the biggest in Southeast Asia, like Southeast Asia, like Indonesia, Singapore, Taiwan, those kind of markets, and they are doing really good. They're last year, the brand ambassador for their e-commerce site was Blackpink. Amazing, they're doing great job, and I will definitely hold on to this stock for a long time. Alright, so the next couple stock is kind of like my play stock. Just buy one to look good, but I'm still gonna show you the gains and loss. Leo is kind of like electric car. At home is kind of like a furniture store. Okay, and new I don't know, it's hard to pronounce. Technology is kind of like almost 50%. Amazing. Kind of like scooter company. They sell scooters. And TAL is also another stock I kind of proud of. It's kind of like an after school tutoring. Blue Apron, they got like a reverse. They do a stock split, so not really. It's kind of like a meal prep. Okay, so those are all my small positions. PIR, don't even know my. So PIR is kind of like also like a furniture store. Viomi, so it's kind of like that sells refrigerators in China. Okay, so Green Sky, and it's kind of like too many to go over. Those are stock is kind of like small positions, nothing major. Another one I want to talk about is Fitbit. Even though I'm only up 6%, I'm not really confident in this position because Fitbit Versa 2 is kind of like trying to help you save money and not really proud of. So going to see how the Fitbit Premium does because it's kind of like a subscription, so I'm not really sure. Okay, so that's nice. Also another one is Aro. They're the biggest security camera company, and they also have a subscription revenue. But I'm more pleased if they could put advertisement on their. If they can monetize their user over subscription, that would be a lot better. If they can do that, I will just buy more share. But I'm not the CEO, so that's basically it. And yeah, so that's basically it for my whole portfolio, and I'm up almost $4,000 for 2 year worth, which is not really good. But if I did not buy Tesla, my stock would be up 50%, which is super good. I'm very proud of myself. I think I will keep going. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll be back with another